We represent the Hogwarts School Choir and are here to share some music with you. Because music is, as Professor Dumbledore has said, it is a magic beyond all we do here. So without further ado, let's start with one of my personal favourites, shall we?
Something wicked this way comes.
Simply brilliant, everyone! And to remember, for optimal vocal projection supports those folds around, we would now like to perform. Whoa! Oh, excuse you! Alright, places everyone. Sorry. Is everyone ready? Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, 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 There's a history dating back over 1,000 years. To celebrate, we would like to perform for you the Hogwarts March. Bum, ba-de-bum, ba-de-bum, bum,